Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Spark. Today I am making these cute cherry earrings. Let's get started. For this we need 4 ball head pins, 4 beads. Here I took 2 different variants. Jump rings, 2 bead caps, leaf charms and 2 hair hooks. First, take a head pin, add 1 red bead. Now add the bead cup. Here I am cutting the pin a bit. If you guys need, let it be. Now let's make a loop at the top. Repeat this for all cherry beads. Take a jump ring, add green leaf charm and fix the loop. Now take another jump ring and attach these 2 cherry beads. Take 1 red and 1 dark red. This looks really cute. And fix the loop. Now attach the cherry bead ring to the leaf ring. And finally attach it to the hair hook. Make sure everything is tight and hang evenly. And that's it. Cute cherry earrings are ready. These earrings are super cute and easy to make. That's all for today. If you guys love this, don't forget to like, share and comment. Also, please subscribe for more. See you guys in next video. Bye bye.